name is Sankarshan Mule and I'm from India. This is my final project for CS50x, Harvard's Introduction to Computer Science. For my project, I've built an web application that helps users create a professional resume with ease. And so, yeah, this is the app it looks like. So here, if we fill all the information, and we can choose out of two templates and it generates the PDF. So let me just fill the info. So I filled all the information. Now let's generate the resume. This is generated by the template one, and let's now see template two. You can see this was the first template, and this is the second template. So yeah, this is the auto resume app. Thank you.